Hello everyone, this is Kimmy Kim and welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing of some paper and I just wanted to share that with you. This I actually ordered. Now I did open the box so that I wouldn't have to make all that ruckus. But I got this from HSN, Home Shopping Network, and it is so pretty. Let me show you. I undid the little side tabs here. So 48 sheets. Let's see. There's these tags and they actually pop out. So you don't have to cut them. You just pop them out. Let's see, we'll start from the beginning here. This is just beautiful. And then the back side is just as beautiful. Let's see, there's 1, 2, 3. So you must get 3 sheets of each. And then this distressed. And the back has the floral as well. I just love the neutral color. Let's see. And y'all, I think it was on sale for like $16. Okay, there's some more. This is this that we saw earlier. And then the back side has this, which is really pretty. And now there's the I think the roses are on both sides. So I don't have enough room to show all of this. I wish I could get it in frame. Let's see. And this, I'm not sure if you can see the detail on it, but there's a floral, just a slight floral around the frame of the paper. And then the back side is that. Let's see, look at how pretty this is. Look at all the butterflies, dragonflies, moths. So pretty. And then it has the green. I like that it has duplicate so that you can use both sides, because a lot of times with two-sided cardstock you want to use both sides. But so now here, this is what was on the back side of one earlier, and it's on the back side now of the moths, so you have extras, if that makes any sense. Hey, it makes sense in my mind. This, I love this. I just love this whole paper pad. I can't believe it was $16. I think it was normally like 20 something. Oh, look at the back of this. I didn't even show you. Let's see if I can get it without dropping this whole thing. So the back of that is this floral. So pretty. Just the whole botanical kind of theme going on, and I just love that. This is just plain, a plain rose color, and then the back side is, again, that pretty floral. Look at this botanical one. That is just gorgeous. Just gorgeous. And then that's the back side. Again, y'all, Home Shopping Network. Can you believe it? I couldn't believe they had paper pads. I actually went to Home Shopping Network to look at the little cut and scan or scan and cut thing. And I found all this paper. And so, yeah, I got sucked in. So here's this one here. The back side is like a graph paper. I just love these. I mean, they would be great for the covers of your signatures. Really pretty. Here's this one. Again, like a soft rosy color. And look at the back. I love that. You'll have to excuse if I'm shaky. I'm really nervous about Wednesday, and Wednesday's coming really fast. So here's this sheet here. And then the back side is the rose plain. Let's see. Again, here's the, oh, it has, that graph has some text as well. And then the back side is that botanically looking one. That's really pretty. I just love it. It's like a sage color. I don't know how it's showing up on the camera, but it's like a sage color. And then the back side is like dots. And these are all tags that pop out, y'all. There is no fussy cutting that you have to do. They just pop right out, see? So I am loving that. So these cards, I mean, you could just back it with a little bit of tea-dyed paper or coffee stain paper, whatever you use, and some stitching around it. It'd be a beautiful, beautiful tag. And let's see, there's 3 sheets of this one, and then 3 sheets with this kind here, I believe. Yes, okay. So I will try to find the link. I'll do my best to find the link for y'all, and see if I can put it in there for you. So it's called Vintage Florals by Crafter's Companion, and I just am in love with it. And on my next one, I haven't opened it yet. They are Bo Bunny's Botanical. Now I haven't been able to find the whole pad of the Botanical, which I wish I could. I really, really, really have it on my wish list. But I was able to find on scrapbooks.com, excuse the crinkling, a few sheets of it. So here we are with a few sheets of it. Let's see, what did they give me here? This is a set of vintage artistry. That looks pretty. Nothing to get you sucked in some more. Very pretty. They have a 6x6 collection and a 12x12 collection. Oh, and here's a sample of what it looks like. Well, that's, you know, for people like me. It's called 49 and Market. Vintage Artistry is the name of it, I think. So they know that I'll get sucked in and buy it. Now, I love that it came with this to keep it safe. And I can recycle that and use that on a project. So again, this is Bo Bunny's Botanical. And I got 1 sheet of this. And then the back side is the green with some distress. I loved this, so I bought as many pages as it would allow me to. I think this is absolutely stunning. I love it. Love it, love it. And then the back side is distressed as well. I can't wait to use this in one of my journals. So I was able to get 4 sheets of that, and I think that's all it would let me. And this one is so beautiful as well. It's got all the pheasant's eye, bleeding heart, double buttercup. It's got a periwinkle. It's got the name of what all the botanicals are. I love it. So I think I got, let's see, I was able to get 3 of those. And then that's the back side of that. And this here was a sheet of tags, which I love. Really pretty. I wasn't sure how it was going to look up close, so I only got 1. The back side is distressed. You can see it better that way. With a little bit of text. It looks like it's got like a ring here. And some different distressing around the edges. So that ended up being pretty. And I grabbed 1 sheet of this, and this is so pretty as well. I love the red. I can't remember what the name of these flowers are. I guess, are they roses? I think they are roses. They are. They're just like pressed roses. And then the back side is red and it's distressed as well. You can see a little bit of distressing. So yeah, if you can find a 12 by 12 pack of the Bo Bunny's Botanical, oh, please contact me. Let me know where I can find it. I would love to get it. And I have one more thing to show you. Let's see. This is a monthly. I get this. It's a like a little monthly club that comes out of from the UK, and it's by Pretty Papers, and it comes wrapped very nicely, and in this really sturdy envelope. And every month you get one seems to be like more of a botanical theme, and then the other pad, and they're 8x8s, are usually painted. It's called Painted with Rust, and it's got all these. I'll just peruse through them real quick. I don't really do the Painted with Rust, but some of these are kind of cute. That one's nice. I like that one. I'm really into it for the botanical pad. So I have, oh, I don't know, I've been doing it for about 4 months now. So we'll go through and see what these look like. And they are just one-sided. This is really pretty with the birds. This was for Valentine's, so that would explain the love. And there's that purple one. And then, let's see. Then it goes back to that. Oh, there's that one. This one's beautiful. I love this one. I think because it has more green in it. I really like that. And this is another nice one. And it's kind of, it's matte on the back, but glossy on the cover. We have some feathers. These are beautiful. Love that. Love that one. Oh, I like that one too. So many pretty ones. I can't decide. Another floral one, purple. This would be nice for a smaller journal. Really nice. I like how they did the distressed with the botanical on the background. Some little swirly dots. That one. And then I think it repeats. Yeah. Then it repeats. So it's 2 sets, 20 pages. And anyway, it's by Pretty Papers, and it's out of the UK. So I hope you enjoyed my little paper unboxing, and I will see y'all soon. Take care and stay safe, y'all.